So next up, guys, we got 1977 Wisconsin Trailer Company. Be a 43-foot step deck trailer with ramps, guys, 96 inches wide. I think that top deck's right around 9 foot. Main deck's like 30 foot. And then you got a 4-foot beaver tail there on the end, guys. Rubber looks good. You'll have pictures of that. Spring suspension. Just wanted to do the video to show you those lights are working. See if those lights lit up. Brake lights are on there, guys. There are a couple burned out bulbs, but for the most part, I think the brake lights, the turn signals on the back work. Deck maybe has a few spots, need a new board, but the frame underneath the trailer, guys, try to have a couple pictures of that. Looks to be pretty dang good. Local consignor. Kind of used it for his farm, pulling around some tanks. So, kind of zoom in on these decks. Obviously not a lot to say on these trailers, but pretty honest, good machine coming from a local consignor. So, peek underneath here. Got some surface rust back in. I think the main frame and everything's pretty dang good. So, there's the walk around video, guys, on the 1977 Wisconsin Trailer Company. Be a 43-foot step deck trailer frame. So, look, guys, auction time at Old 20 Auctions.